Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So a company is interested in starting back a domestic airline service in Jamaica. Now it was almost 20 years ago that Air Jamaica, what was the name of that? Trans Jamaica Highway, I think. No, wait. The local Air Jamaica used to have a local airplane service in Jamaica. That means it would fly from Kingston to Mobile to Negril to Ocho Rios. But that service ended about 20 years ago. Guys, if anybody can remember the name of the airline, I know it had Air Jamaica in it. You can leave a comment in the section below. And of course, Air Jamaica is also no more. They closed down. Doesn't fly under the Air Jamaica name anymore. So this company, the Amber Group, is interested in setting back up a domestic airline service. Now Jamaica has the aerodromes. We have the Tinsapen Aerodrome in Kingston that small planes can use. We have the Negril Aerodrome, which is supposed to become an international airport soon. We have the Boscobel Aerodrome, which was renamed the Ian Fleming International Airport. And we have one in Portland. What's the name of that? It slipped me now. Ken Jones Aerodrome in Portland. I'm not sure if we have any more. I've heard people talk about landing strip in Holland Bamboo, but I've never seen it. And the JDF has an airfield in Monique, and I think they have one up at Park Camp too. I know they have a helicopter base up there, but those would be probably just for military use only. So it's very good. It's a service. I'm not sure. Well, probably the cost and the fact that Air Jamaica was closing down, why the domestic airlines market kind of collapsed, and there are no companies doing that now. So this company is hoping to get started next year. They're going to start with a 16-seater plane, and we will keep you guys updated on that. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do. Amber Group CEO Dushyant Savadi has ambitious plans to reintroduce intercity passenger flights in Jamaica, nearly 2 decades after the collapse of Air Jamaica Express. Starting November 1, Amber Aviation will initially focus on a niche service for tourists using helicopters to transport them between major resorts in Ocho Rios and Negril and the Montego Bay airports. Savadi envisions a phased rollout with initial tourist services followed by broader domestic routes linking Montego Bay, Kingston, and Negril. He noted that recent advances in aviation technology, such as more affordable and efficient aircraft, support the viability of this venture. Despite competition from Knutsford Express, which has dominated intercity travel since 2006, Nevada remains optimistic. Amber Group is prepared for an initial profit-free period of up to 3 years as the domestic service establishes itself. Though a launch date for these broader domestic flights is yet to be set, the company is considering acquiring a 16-seater aircraft potentially as early as next year. Alright, so that's the end of the update. So guys, what do you think about a domestic airline service? I think it is essential, and I really don't understand why it had stopped to begin with. But guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.